afternoon, Susan. It's Julie Corey from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I wanted to show you the GLE 450. Here it is in polar white. You can see that there's an aggressive Mercedes emblem. As you see here, we have the LED lights that wrap around the car. Susan, you'll see that the tires are 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. As we come around, you'll see that we have the chrome, which is very traditional. And on the back of the car, GLE 450, the badge of Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC. This is all-wheel drive. It has a factory tow hitch. And there's nice chrome features on this car. Susan, you asked for a light color for your interior. This is macchiato beige with MB-TEX. And you have the nice accent of the black flooring. Here you'll also see that the rear seats have heated seats as well as adjustable seats with the walnut grain and the Burmeister surround sound. And you also have the shades. Susan, we also have touchscreen on the steering wheel. It also has a heated steering wheel. And you can touch the screen and look at navigation. And here you can also turn navigation on or off, or any other type of settings that you want to control. This car has the Burmeister surround sound, the heated seats, ventilation seats, and the Panoramic Roof. It's very nice and open and airy. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. My name is Julie Corey and my telephone number is 207-510-2252. Thank you.